What is up, you guys? So today I wanted to make a video on why most people give up on YouTube and how you can avoid it. Unfortunately, I almost fell prey to this trap of giving up on YouTube too early, considering I haven't released a video in over 2 months. You see, everybody starts YouTube with the grandiose idea of using this platform to make videos a couple of times a week, growing an audience and expressing their creative identity, all in the hopes it will bring you a return on your investment. Your investment being time, that is. Then as the days turn into weeks and weeks turn into months, many realize becoming monetized is difficult and making money once monetized is even more difficult. Now, whether you're making money on YouTube or you're not making money, it doesn't really matter because everybody runs into either of these two problems: running out of time or running out of ideas. Unfortunately for me, it was the first one of running out of time. For a consistent 3 months, I was producing 1 to 2 videos a week, and to my surprise, I was seeing my subscriber count and views steadily increase. With so much excitement and fulfillment from the views and feedback I was getting, I kept making more and more videos with my extra time. Except something happened when I did that. My actual career and small business input started to decline. Now, although I enjoy making videos and basking in those sweet likes you guys boost my ego with, I couldn't ignore that my time cannot be invested into the YouTube platform on the level I had been doing it at. So I pulled back and I started focusing that time back into my main work, but I made a mistake. Because to my surprise, although I stopped posting on YouTube consistently, my return from YouTube didn't stop. And on the contrary, it actually increased. Over the past 2 months of not posting a single video on my YouTube channel, every analytic on my account increased, including my AdSense payments. Now we're talking very minimal dollars here, as currently from my AdSense I only make about $20 per month from YouTube. But still, it was at my $17 or so when I had stopped making videos, so an increase is an increase. Although it played a role, the money is not what brought my attention back here. You see, I finally got to the point where I was caught back up with my daily work and could set aside enough time for myself to get these done. Personally, only 1 video a week makes the most sense for me and is manageable with my schedule at this point. So I set aside the specific slot on my calendar every Monday to record. Now, if I could give any advice, I would say don't try and use any of these other goals that creators have set in place. You're not looking for that optimal growth, as they would say. You're striving for dedication to the long term of posting consistently on YouTube. If it's 1 month, then it's 1 month. If you have time for 3 times a week, then by all means, do 3 videos a week. You don't want to overextend yourself though, because then this platform becomes more of a job and not a creative outlet like so many of us use it for. So the other problem that creators have is running out of ideas. Now, currently I have not hit this problem myself yet, but I can see how it would happen. At one point when I was posting 2 to 3 videos a week, it was interesting how my mind would start to wander on different topics that I could be posting on. For example, this video right here is made for YouTube creators and aspiring YouTube creators, yet that's not really what my channel is based around. To a degree, yes, because YouTube creators are entrepreneurs, but most of my videos are based around business and entrepreneurship. I could see after years of posting 1 to 3 videos a week though, it could be difficult to keep finding good topics. The way I lay out my ideas for YouTube are all done in my notebook. So there are a couple of different tracking systems like TubeBuddy that have a place for you to drop in your topic ideas, but for me I just use my notepad and iCloud. As for my topic ideas, I would say about 50% of them are thought of while I'm out running. Usually I have my phone attached to my arm, so I just pull it out and write down an idea when I think of it. Now, I would advise against sitting down and turning on your camera and just off the cuff start making a video. Almost every successful YouTuber plans out their videos beforehand, or at least have a guide of what they're going to be covering. Also, your content is not going to be as good as it would be if you had just come up with a great topic and properly had the time to do research and put the attention toward the video that is needed. So my advice would be always be thinking of your video topics and immediately writing them down. You don't need to plan out the whole thing right then, but if something pops up in your head, just add it to your notes. If some of you are here strictly for YouTube creator motivation and information, I just want to be clear. I am by no means an expert on YouTube, but I have a great video on how I got monetized in 30 days if you're interested in watching it. There should be a link right above me for that video or in the description below. Also, if you're interested in receiving a free stock through Robinhood, you can find it in the description below as well. It's probably the easiest way to help the channel out, as I'm only making about $20 from YouTube, and hey, you could get a stock valued as high as $1,600. Most of them are on average around $15 though, so if you want $15 then check it out below. And although it was a quick video, those were my thoughts and advice on giving up on YouTube too early and learning how to recognize the signs when you see them. If you're interested in small business, money, or entrepreneurship, feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Alright, thanks, bye.